Hello, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 8. Yeah, so today's a very eventful day. I forgot to vlog, but I did put on my Snapchat story that I went Christmas shopping, and I got my sister 2 things from Ulta, and I got myself a little something. And then we went to Target, we got a couple things, and I got Starbucks with my sister. It was the chestnut praline latte. And then I got this cute, adorable phone case for my phone, which is the 12 Pro Max. And I'm very excited about it because I love this color. Like pink and blue, or pink and purple, and also gray are my favorite colors. So yeah, so I'm gonna unbox my phone case and put it on my phone right now. Okay guys, so I had to go back to Target because the phone case that I got previously did not fit me. So I got a different one. And this is what it looks like. And I also got a new advent calendar. So I'm going to open that off camera because, you know, it says eat, drink, you know. I'm 23, so I'm going to open that off camera so YouTube doesn't take down my vlog. So I'm going to open this. So I'm going to put you guys on my coffee cup right there. So again, you don't need to do what is on my iPhone 12 Pro Max right here. I can do a video on that if you want me to, just comment down below. So this is the case that's previously on my phone. It's the Sonic one. I got this on the first day that I got my phone because, you know, me, when I get a new phone, I need to get a phone case right away. So I'm just going to take this off. This one off. So I'm just taking it off my phone. Alright, so again, this is what it looks like. It's really cute. Love that. And this is what my phone looks like. If you haven't seen. So I'm just going to take this out because I know this is gonna fit. Like, I know it's gonna be protective because the other one was a snap-on, so I returned it and I got this one. Oh, it's cute. Alright, so again, this is what it looks like. Really cute. It's clear and it has like little circles on it. I love that. You know me, I love a clear phone case. So I'm just gonna pop this in like this. Oh, this looks so cute. And then again, it's protective. So yeah, this is my new phone case. Now I have 2 phone cases. I'm actually getting one from Shein, but it's coming, I think this week or next week. But if it does come next week, I'll put it in a vlog. But yeah, I'm really happy that I love this phone case because it's really pretty. And I also love this one too. If you know me, I'm a sucker for clear phone cases. So yeah. So I'll see you guys when I'm doing something later because my sister is in a meeting and I'm sitting in my room with my dog Mercy. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm doing something extra fun. Probably making a TikTok and then post it. I don't know, probably when I'm done with my coffee, I might do later hot chocolate with my sister. So stay tuned for that. Alright, here's my cup. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Here you go. Do. Alright. The milk, so you guys can see. Taking a spoon. Mixy. And then sprinkles. Look how cute these sprinkles are. And then just putting some in there. And then a little bleep. So good. Alright, so I just made some hot chocolate in my cute Christmas mug. Like, oh, look at this. Like, isn't it so cute? It's so cute. And the hot chocolate I made is gingerbread, and oh my god. And I also put like a little bit of sprinkles in it. I'm sorry I didn't have whipped cream, so I'm just gonna watch some Christmas shows, Christmas movies on Freeform. I muted my TV so it didn't get copyrighted, and I'm gonna watch some Christmas movies and play Animal Crossing. Like, if you know, you know. So I'm just gonna chill here and I'll catch you guys in the outro. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna end my vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Make sure you come back for Vlogmas Day 9. And also make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on the bell so you don't miss the upload. And also comment down below what videos I should film next, since we're in Vlogmas. And yeah, comment down below if you're excited for Christmas this year. I know, you know, with this hard times going around, but make sure you wash your hands, wear a face mask, and also comment down below what videos I should film next, or what vlogs you want to see within the Vlogmas. All my socials are linked down below. And also, yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 9.